A mysterious blast has taken place near a temple in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the explosion occurred near a temple in the Surankot area of the district. However, there were no immediate reports of about any fatality or injury in the incident so far. Bharatiya Janata Party regime attached the properties of several Kashmiri Muslims in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the BJP regime with the police establishment attached the properties of Mahmood Hussain, Zafar Iqbal and Javed Iqbal, all brothers and the residents in Mender. Illegally detained senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Naeem Ahmed Khan, has said that India has been committing serious human rights violations in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Naeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail on the day of International Day for Tolerance today, appealed to the international community to impress upon India to take concrete steps for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute. Recent order of suspending the life sentence of Captain Bhupender Singh of the Rashtriya Rifles, who was convicted of the killing 3 Kashmiri laborers in the Shopian fake encounter case in 2020, will only serve to reinforce that Indian armed forces deployed in the occupied Kashmir enjoy impunity, reported India-based online news portal The Leaflet. According to Kashmir Media Service, the leaflet, citing report by the Jammu Kashmir Coalition of the Civil Society, said that it made a damning revelation about the impunity enjoyed by the Indian armed forces in Jammu and Kashmir. Massive fire engulfed several houses in the Doda district on Thursday. According to Kashmir Media Service, Senior Superintendent of the Police Doda, Abdul Qayyum, said, "We received information that a few houses in the Bhadarwa area of the Doda district had caught fire and the firefighters were rushed to the spot."